Is the Nifty index indecisive? Will it take any support? Let's know in today's FMTA for 16th of November 2024.
Welcome to Unfolding the Secrets of Elliot Wave Theory through today's financial market technical analysis and updates about weather and monsoon in India and around the globe.
FMTA for 16th of November 2024. Hello all and welcome to a new session of FMTA longer version. Today is the 16th of November 2024. This is the Nifty 50 index and we are going to discuss what happened on the Thursday. Also, Friday was a holiday due to Guru Nanak Jayanti. So we don't have much of a movement. It's a very indecisive candle. Already I have discussed all this on the Thursday session itself. So not much has changed. It's an indecisive candle but taking a support of this line. This point is a very crucial point for me. So it's approximately 23,400 and somewhere 23,390 something. So we have to watch for Monday and Tuesday to know more and discuss more about it. So let's wait and get back. So we can always know about the global and what happened with the gold market. So let's move ahead and understand more about the BSE level and then we can move to the commodity. So that's Bse Sensex 30. Same thing, of course, I discussed this that we have got a red candle that has broken the support of this particular line, but it's still in the channel. It's taking a support of the channel. Sometimes a shadow happens. So if it's a shadow or something more is coming up, is something we have to wait and watch, and we'll keep on following the same. So this level again, the level would be 77,400. So that's for Bse Sensex. Now, just zooming out, just to show you all, it's the same. And this is the support line that I'm talking about. It has also broken the support on the weekly level, but it's not very strong. Little bit of part of the candle is below this line, which we want at least 60% of the candle to be below this line to have a very strong breakdown. So for now, I don't feel like it's very negative. So we'll wait and watch. Monday, Tuesday, very crucial. Quickly going to the global market, we are going to look at Dow Jones. That's Dow Jones Industrial Average. I'm sorry, not keeping well a bit. So yes, it has taken resistance of this channel and it's moving in the downward direction. So it's of course going to touch this particular level, that's 42,205 if the level is touched on Monday. So on Tuesday, of course, it will keep on moving a little bit up. So approximate level is there. And what happens? Well, if I zoom out, I can see that this particular channel is a massive support and this channel is a very crucial channel for now. And if something positive happens, of course the elections have been positive. Overall, the mood of the country, that is the USA, people are very much happy with the current government that is going to come in power in January 2025. So looks like it would be a very positive market for Dow Jones, but right now it's in correction mode. So let's see what it does. And let's go for the Hangsang market. Looking at the Hangsang market, well, it has come to the support line. So looking at this, it has moved quite beyond and looks like it's some part of the corrective. If all of you have followed my previous videos where, or previous FMTA reports, where I have shared this particular pattern, and I've said that it might continue as a corrective. So what I'm talking about is this one. So it can be part of a corrective. I'll change the color of it and show it to you. So that's what I'm talking about. So what's the corrective? That's what I feel it is. And after that, I'm sorry. Again, continuation of the downtrend. So all these levels would provide us some kind of levels for support, maybe a turning point. Overall, it does not look very strong to me. So Hangsang market looks like it might continue the downtrend, but we'll wait and watch. So overall, global markets are not very positive for now, but Indian markets have done quite a bit of correction while the global markets were still positive. So I feel that maybe, some other things might support the Indian market. There are so many other aspects. So let's look at it one by one. So that's the global market. Level for the Hangsang, the support would be 19,303. Then if it moves beyond this, then this is the channel, and we will see a lower level of 18,175, somewhere there, approximately there. And then the continuation of the downtrend. And if it has to take a support, it has to take a support of this particular channel, the upper trend line of the channel. So that's Hangsang market. And then we are going to go towards the currency, very important part. So what happens to rupee? So this is on the left hand side we see USD against INR, and then on the right hand side we see INR against the US dollars. So now these are real-time currencies, it's not futures. So let's see, little bit above the line, but quite, again I said, quite divergent market. It's just, making a peak, and too much of stress, as the whatever peak is happening, it's not sustaining the peak. So it did peak out on the 15th with a high of, let me show you, with a high of 84.47, and then there is a closing of 84.42, not quite sustaining the upper side, but this line is a resistance for that particular pattern that I'm talking about. So let's see if the currency is going to give a correction on Monday or Tuesday. Same thing for the INR against USD. You can see here. It's the same, only this shows the rupee index and this shows the dollar against rupee. So a positive, strong rupee on the 15th. On the 14th, it was very negative. For the 15th, we saw some strength in the rupee after a very long time. So hoping that markets will take support in the coming couple of days. So we will keep on following it, and I'll do a FMTA short maybe on Wednesday to know what happened on Monday and Tuesday. Because it is crucial, we'll keep on following after every 2-3 days. So that's the currency right there. Very much on resistance, very much divergent. The indicators are quite divergent with the kind of top it has made. So, and this also with the kind of low it has made. So let's see. And then gold, finally. So left hand side is the gold for the MCX, that is the Indian gold and gold futures. And this is the ICE gold futures of New York Stock Exchange. So we can see here that this particular candle is of the 6th of November. There is some issue with the investin.com not being able to update the latest whatever levels of gold is there. So we will see it on some other portal, but for discussion and this particular ICE gold, you can see how it made a low of 2543.81. That's the level that it hit. Same happened with the Indian gold also. We did see a low level. It was somewhere around 73,000 and something. So I will be discussing that. So of course I had shown you the count. So my major count would be 1. Sorry. This is 1. Then that would be 2. This is 3. I'm sorry. I've lately been coughing a lot, so I'm sorry for the disturbance. That's 3. And then we are seeing the 4. It's somewhere here, quite deep. Very weak precious metals, very weak stock market. It has to be one of them, but both are weak for now, even the currency. So hopefully something positive should happen in this coming week. So that's the 4th wave. Now same thing, whether we'll see something below this level is something we need to discuss and keep on following. For now, I feel like it should change from here and we should see some positive over the ICE gold. Same thing will happen with the Indian gold also. So latest gold price, India. I am using money control to show you the latest level. Zooming in, that's daily chart and gold futures for December. We can see here. Now if I have to show you the waves here, it's this one right here. Let me use the same color. 1, 2 is the same that I had showed you in Investin interface, and then 4th. So the level of that 15th, this is the 14th, 15th was Saturday. For currency, we did see a 15th of November because it closes late night. And this is 14th of November. The closing is 74,072. The low was 73,300. Look at how major of a fall it was for that particular day. It's overall a 1,000-point movement. If you see the high of that day, it is 74,300 and the low of 73,300. A 1,000-point movement on the same day and an indecisive candle at the closing. So hoping that we'll see some bounce back of gold and the trend of the upside should continue. But Monday, Tuesday, very crucial. So we'll keep following and I will be back with another session of FMTA, hopefully with a better throat, not able to speak much. So that's it for today's session. And this is Vaishali Sheth signing off for Alpha. Thank you.
Kindly like, share and subscribe. Learn technical analysis and get specialized in wave analysis today and be your own fund manager. Why to rely on others when you yourself are aware of how to do your financial investments? Get your commodity, currency and annual monsoon report. Also, we offer career counseling programs with assessment from class 8 to up till your graduation. So thank you all and see you in the next session of FMTA.